In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML file to Hostinger. Whether you're setting up your first website or looking to update an existing one, uploading HTML files is a fundamental task. Let's walk through it together so you can do it confidently every time. First things first, head over to Hostinger's website and log into your account. If you aren't familiar with Hostinger, it's a popular hosting service that's widely used for managing websites efficiently. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on Websites. This is where you'll find an overview of the websites linked to your account. If for any reason you don't immediately see the file manager icon or option, don't worry. It might be hidden, depending on your dashboard's layout or your specific plan. In such a case, you should consult the roadmap link provided on the dashboard. This roadmap is a useful guide for locating various functionalities in Hostinger and understanding the different features you can access. Now type File into the search bar of the roadmap if needed, and select Web Hosting from the results. This will guide you to the relevant sections for file management within Hostinger. Here you can dive deeper into understanding how the file manager works by accessing additional tutorials which cover how you can manage and edit files efficiently. With a clear understanding under your belt, let's move on to accessing Hostinger's file manager. Keep in mind that the file manager isn't available for all Hostinger users. Those on Hostinger's website builder and Hostinger Horizons plans might find it unavailable. For those who can access it, go to hPanel and sign in, select your hosting plan, and click Manage. From here, find the File Manager either through the website dashboard or the sidebar via Files, and then File Manager. Once inside the File Manager, you'll see a clear interface divided into three main parts: the sidebar, file management area, and the top menu. The sidebar offers quick access to various functions like creating new folders or files, viewing deleted files in the trash bin, adjusting your settings, and even monitoring your storage space usage. In the middle, the file management area is where you'll view and manage all your current directories, files, and folders. Useful features here include options to quickly rename, copy, move, or delete files by right-clicking on them. Don't forget to utilize the built-in text editor right within the file manager, which lets you make changes directly to your files without the hassle of downloading them. It's user-friendly and includes a syntax highlighter to make sure everything is correct and easy to understand. And that's it! You now know how to upload and manage HTML files on Hostinger, making your web management tasks much smoother and more efficient.